As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Solana cost will hit $200 toward the finish of 2025 and afterward 250 Jabber by the center of 2026. Solana will ascend to $300 inside the extended time of 2027, 400 Jabber in 2029 and $500 in 2034. Jibber value expectation 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92 Jibber. Today, Solana exchanged at $153.42, so the cost expanded by 51 Jibber from the very start of the year. The Guaj Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $233, and the year-to-year change plus 129 Jibber. The Jibber from today to year-end, plus 52%. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $200. In the last part, the cost would add $60 and close the year at $260, which is plus 69 Jabber to the ongoing cost. Jibber expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $260 to $300 in Jibber ointment, which is up half. Solana will begin 2026 at $260, then, at that point, take off to $319 per pair the Jabber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at $376. That Jibber plus 145% from today. Solana forecast 20 Jibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $390 to $600 in per pair 5 Jabber, which is plus 63%. Solana will begin 2031 at $390, then take off to 415 Jabber inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $440. It is about Jibber 187% from today. Jibber first 2024. Solana value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Jibber 2 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $100 and Jabber $7.26, so the cost expanded by 44% from the very start of the year. The Jibber Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $222 and the year-to-year change plus 118%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 51 Jibber. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $191. In the final part, the cost would add $57 and close the year at $248, which is plus Jabber 8% to the ongoing cost. Solana Jibber 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $248 to $374, which is up 51 Jabber. Jibber will begin 2026 at $248, then take off to $304 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $359. That implies plus 144 Jibber from today. Solana forecast 20 Jibber 1 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $374 Jabber to $609, which is plus 63%. Solana will begin 2031 at $300 and Jibber $4, then, at that point, take off to $398 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $422. It is about plus 187 Jibber from today. Jibber Freedom 2024. Solana value Jibber 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 Jibber 92 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $144 Jabber 71 cents, so the cost expanded by 42% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $171 Jibber, and the year-to-year change plus 68%. The Jibber from today to year-end, plus 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $165 per 1 Jabber. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $222. In the final part, the cost would add $50 and close the year at $272, which is plus 88 Jabber to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026 to 20 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $200 and Jibber $2 to $423, which is up 56%. Solana will begin 2026 at $272, then, at that point, take off to $321 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $300 Jabber $6. That implies plus 100 Jibber 2% from today. Jibber forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $423 to 551 JIBA, which is plus 30%. Solana will begin 20 JIBA 1 at $423 and finish 2031 at $423. It is about JIBA 192% from today. JIBA first 2024. Solana value JIBA 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101 JIBA 2 ointment. Today, JIBA exchanged at $166.89, so the cost expanded by 64% from the start of the year. The estimated JIBA cost toward the finish of 2024 is $201 and the year-to-year change plus 97%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 20 JIBA. In 2024, we hope to see $100 JIBA 4 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $261. In the final part, the cost would add $59 and close the year at $320, which is plus JIBA 2% to the ongoing cost. JIBA forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $320 to $400 and applesauce 8 JIBA, which is up 56%. Solana will begin 2026 at $320, then, at that point, take off to $378 JIBA the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $395. That implies plus 100 JIBA 7% from today. Solana JIBA 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $498 JIBA to $649, which is plus 30%. JIBA will begin 2031 at $498 and finish 2031 at $498. It is about plus 198 JIBA from today. May JIBA 2024. Solana value JIBA 2024 to 2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at 101 JIBA 92 cents. Today, Solana exchanged at $143.87, so the cost expanded by 41% from the very JIBA of the year. The Guaj Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is 265 JIBA, and the year-to-year change plus 160%. The JIBA from today to year-end, plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $183 per 1 JIBA. In the main applesauce of 2025, the JIBA cost will move to $345. In the final part, the cost would add $78 and close the year at $423, which is plus 194% to the ongoing cost. JIBA forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $423 to $508, which is up 20 JIBA. Solana will begin 2026 at $423.